resonance structure is also known as hypothetical structure, canonical structure, and contributing structures. As we all know that the Bendin formula is C6H6. C6H6. Now in resonance structure, few are real molecules and few are imaginary. This in resonance structure, few are not become real molecules. Canonical forms are also hypothetical. In resonance structure, the canonical structures are also hypothetical. Main is in resonance structure, the main important points are benzene. Benzene C single bond is 139 picometer and individually bond means 154 picometers, and C double bond C is 134 picometers. Number of resonance structures is depend upon how many times the pi bonds are there in the different positions. Now let's have an example. Nitromethane. The formula of nitromethane is CH3NO2. In this figure, in this compound, we can see that there are two pi bonds. This pi bond will shift here, means it will become minus charge. In this lone pair, if this lone pair shift here, it will bond in pi bond. You can this reaction is we can represent in two ways. Now important note is that the energy of actual structure is less than the resonating structure. Means what? The energy of actual structure is more than resonating structures. The difference in energy between the actual structure and the resonating structure is called resonance stabilizing energy. Now let's take a question on resonating structure. Write resonating structure of the CHCO and shown the movement of electron by curved arrows. CH3 bond this compound also we can represent in two ways. These are, this pi bond will shift to here, then it forms as minus charge, and this lone pair will shift here, means it bonds one pi bond. So, may this session is useful for you. Thank you.